Surat Al-Mutaffifin, those who deal in fraud. It revealed in Makkah city. It has 36 verses, part number 30, surah number 83. I seek refuge with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from accursed shaitan devil in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Vow to Al-Mutaffifin, those who give less in measure and weight. Those who, when they have to receive by measure from men, demand full measure, and when they have to give by measure or weight to other men, give less than due. Do they not think that they will be resurrected for reckoning on a great day, the day when all mankind will stand before the Lord of the Alameen, mankind, jinn, and all that exists? Nay, truly the record writing of the deeds of the Fujjar, disbelievers, polytheists, sinners, evildoers, and the wicked is preserved in Sijjin. And what will make you know what Sijjin is? A register inscribed. Vow that day to those who deny the day of recompense, and none can deny it except every transgressor beyond bounds in disbelief, oppression, and disobedience to Allah the sinner. When our verses of the Quran are recited to him, he says tales of the ancients. Nay, but on their hearts is the rain-covering of sins and evil deeds which they used to earn. Nay, surely the evildoers will be veiled from seeing their Lord that day. Then verily they will indeed enter and taste the burning flame of hell. Then it will be said to them, this is what you used to deny. Nay, verily the record writing of the deeds of Al-Ibrar, the pious believers of Islamic monotheism, is preserved in Illyin. And what will make you know what Illyin is? A register inscribed, to which bear witness those nearest to Allah, the angels. Verily Al-Ibrar, the pious believers of Islamic monotheism, will be in delight paradise, on thrones looking at all things. You will recognize in their faces the brightness of the delight. They will be given to drink of pure sealed wine. The last thereof, that wine, will be the smell of musk, and for this let all those strive who want to strive hasten earnestly the obedience of Allah. That wine will be mixed with tasneem, a spring whereof drink those nearest to Allah. Verily during the worldly life those who committed crimes used to laugh at those who believed, and whenever they passed by them used to wink one to another in mockery. And when they returned to their own people, they would return jesting. And when they saw them, they said, verily these have indeed gone astray. But they, disbelievers, sinners, had not been sent as watcher over them, the believers. But this day, the day of resurrection, those who believe will laugh at the disbelievers on high thrones looking at all things. Are not the disbelievers paid fully for what they used to do?